Going everyone, my name's Terrill. I'm one of the chefs here at Dishworks. We are going to put together this really nice Moroccan couscous side dish. Quick and easy start side that you can have with anything. Equal parts couscous, water. I brought my water up to a boil. I will then pour the hot water over the couscous. Quick stir, basically cover it, whether it's with plastic wrap, aluminum foil, a lid. That's what allows the couscous to cook. I can set it and forget it. I'm going to saute these shallots, just a little bit of olive oil. We'll cook them till they're soft, translucent, and then we're also going to add in some chili flakes, a little bit of spice, pinch of cumin. We'll take a fork, we'll fluff the couscous. That'll keep it like nice and light. Got some golden raisins, currants, toasted pine nuts. Shallots, got olive oil here. Toss until it's all mixed. This is just part of like the finishing touches, if you will, the garnish. Just kind of show out a little bit. Show out and show off. Moroccan couscous.
Bro, you're Moroccan my world. This is so good.